Mama Kwabasunko Umbradia De3 Guo Izino the Premtobre president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. My question is De3 Guo Adom socials no dozana mebaso there or year job 600 or year bia or year mashubejum funo hon offices no one or za yenya nti there wiki mono ija ato honum baby ma honma wodu meja no kodu honum no otum na oyi obiara owo inside biara pay ma yen question za okodo o honum.
Around 9:45, we received a distress call, and within less than 5 minutes, our appliance was here. Guys, what we are saying now is fire that has affected one of the rooms. It is like a storeroom because we have some storage items there. So our aim now is to get the fire confined. After the fire is confined, then we know how to extinguish it. The most important thing for us is to confine the fire so that the fire does not travel to other unaffected.
Into no Adom fa wo kope mo o honom no na wo chairs akodo o job 600 honom ma menje wadwenchwe mfa dem nsemi akodo no. Richmond say or man Ghana and or the Ghana flag or the atuho nti no minim do pedo choy do no one kakra de ijetumbuto job 600 and you start or say or no or a shop had or your fire simulation into you ono so na dwenchwa was be father nsemi ho amo bai na or say cheda some no why no one ye papa ma yefri ho no me na yenko assurance committee otonsa ofre kujeto ablakwa no kojo opon kroma o wakosombo dam spillage okodo ho no victims won ma won ken no yazanka wotum na was one ko baby for by now nti no wo fro honda won bra na won mechirem bo ye ya won fadam ko fo kwa kototo na no ma yenko hwe za okodo ho no so
that when the military on ground was asked to move from one location to another as part of the exercise, you came out saying that the military had been asked to withdraw from the place.
I'm glad that you have introduced that.
Chairman, that was not sincere.
I am glad that you have introduced that matter.
Yes.
What your government did, what the commander-in-chief asked them to do, was rather the insincerity. They were moving out. The commander told me, I was there, the
Chairman,
chief and your former
Chairman,
colleagues.
That is not correct.
We will not have a banter here.
That is not correct.
But for the record, and this is my committee. You don't come here and dictate. I'm the chair of this committee.
You have asked me a question and I'm responding.
And
you
on the matter,
the word insincerity.
and on the matter,
I'm respectfully submitting to you that when you announced to the whole republic that the military had been asked to withdraw from the Volta region, Chairman, that wasn't sincere. Because the military had not been asked to withdraw from the entire Volta region. They had been asked to move from one place to the other. And that wasn't sincere.
I am putting it to you
and
that was an afterthought. After I exposed the government.
Chairman,
can I speak? Can I speak?
Of course you can speak. But if
I am the chairman of this committee, and I will.
Into no akosombo dam so na wo boy no won ma won ho ken no wasn't one about kwekugu baby for no hon sam no na wore baby won ano wo ho dam no ma menje wadwenchwa fa dam nsemi akodo no ho Mesa agbenyaga or say ono hu the victims no also victims of this self-imposed man-made disaster have been rendered to one ma wotum na one academy na warrender one homeless no na ebinimpo ejuma kra wonya no na oye oponkoma otsena oye assurance committee na nyim na oye banta wo hu ya you know hu do nya hu kakra wonhwe na wonfo wono nkogu baby na no dem suba no ohuza orkodo o honom kwa Philip Saba fiakuna say oponkroma rashadara na all divert attention efri sama wolbisa no ho sande special question was bisa no nya no ho anoyi na ozama committee no kra nti no Philip so na dwenchra ozebenye Western Francis Jan osi Ghana na committee a wakati na say na wa hwehwe nsama okodum na warrior propaganda wo honom de mia nti no so na dwenchra ozebenye ma yefri hono me na yankonkwohwe elections ho nsansamo yaza John Dramani Mahama orichem de mpono ba omian media encounter na oye no eda oye ono ne manifesto na de chi pepepe no ndo peda o divert attention ezema no ho na oye attention free ne manifesto launch no nti na oye dam ma yankohwe za okay hono so
for doing that media encounter the next day after we had announced our manifesto was to turn the attentions of Ghanaians from the NDC manifesto. That was the main reason that they decided to do a media encounter the very next day after we launched our manifesto. But you see, when you do something with devious intention, it backfires on you. You know how to tell when somebody is lying. If there are people who are smooth talkers, who can speak rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta like machine gun, the time when they become
John Dramani Mahama Chilman, Sama about Miaka media encounter in Arno, Caribbean in Musando Tumudana, or Fambo ye papa, Major Wajin Train for the Minsemia or Cordo no. Son of man, no say, after as or Cordo Ninarano or Richard Pade, Wubutumna, why debates now, we tumna, we expose. De ebiana baumyanyaza osro John Mahama kra or ye debate our friend wombra na or share most motum na or kasa ye na or champa de dem debates no obotum na wakodo ntino son of man na adwencha ozebe efa dem nsemi ehonyan Sconty GH or say ohun there or ye backfire papa say like he has backfired on you for your deceit into no ni John Dramahan kabahama no nyi kasa papa de umpono nda de baba da Ghana funo na wa backfire owo no do damno yawa mo fa say after this symbolic media encounter no does Baumia still need a debate into no say there or share media encounter no called na nyaza Baumia ohia debate biara baby ma yedu no ma yen kwachi hen video of the day. Wasama ina hala mizi De3 3retwa Guo no mizi besi if yaman kwata ma closing some keno boso